but I don't want to show.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. It's recording.
Oh, okay. All right, fine. We can always edit all that. I don't need the whole thing.
There is no zoom?
Why do you want to zoom, Nina?
Okay, I'll zoom in. Do you want to put it in YouTube?
There's lots on YouTube. I don't need to. And we'll now hold it for you. You can always edit all that. How's it going? I know you should show the...
My head is starting to...
What you do with tweezers first?
Hmm?
Tweezers.
No,
No
she
tweeze.
doesn't use it at all.
No tweeze. Her hair is sticking.
Very thick.
It's just a little video, you know, it's not a... You alright, Nina?
I'm starting to shake, Lee.
Little more. I'm almost done. All right, just for now, we can just, yeah, and then you can just zoom in
Well, that's what I'm asking.
a little bit.
That's much better.
Okay, and then we stop. Maybe you can open your eyes, hon.